Hello, and welcome to the Comprehensive Assessment of Leadership for Learning, or CALL. Thank you for participating in the CALL survey. This video tutorial is for all survey takers who are using the CALL survey. You are looking at the website leadershipforlearning.org. But to take the survey, the best way to do that is to refer to the CALL welcome letter that you should have received from your school leader. Here is the letter. This is a sample letter. Please remember that this is not your actual letter for your school. This CALL welcome letter provides an introduction to what CALL is, a little bit of training on what to think about when taking the survey, some directions on how to access and take the CALL survey, and most importantly, your school survey access code, which you can see here and here. This is the code that everybody in your school will use to take the CALL survey. There are different ways to get into the CALL system, but the best way to do it is to follow the directions here on the right in this box where it says, access your CALL survey here. And when I click on that, it will open up a window in my web browser where I am ready now to register for the survey. Now, the first thing you'll see is that it asks for your email. The purpose of providing your email is so that you can be sent a link to your CALL survey, so that if you need to stop in the middle of taking the survey and log back in, you can refer to the link in your email and get back into your survey. Your email will not be shared with anyone in your school. It will not be connected to your data when it's reported back to your school. Your input on the survey will be completely confidential and anonymous. You also see that there is a school access code that already gets loaded into the registration page. If it's not there, you can go back to your CALL welcome letter and copy and paste the access code into this window. It's very important to get all the characters correct. If you need to type in the CALL access code, please try to copy and paste if possible to make sure you get all the characters correct. Then you will see that you need to select your role, and you have three choices here, usually. Select your role, and then you see you have some demographic questions here as well. Once you've completed those questions, you'll see that there is the policy and terms of use, and once you agree to that, you are ready to begin the survey. There are 6 sections in the standard CALL survey. Each section has a status bar at the top. All of the questions are multiple choice. Simply make your selection, and you can see that you can click either on the button itself or anywhere where there is text. After you made your selection, click on Next Question. Of course, you can always go back by clicking Previous Question. And if you need to leave the survey at any time, you can exit the survey or just simply close your browser. If you need to skip a question, you are able to do that. We ask that you please read each question first and carefully consider the responses before moving on to the next question. You will notice that there is a little bit more reading involved in the CALL survey. And for that reason, the survey takes a little bit longer than most surveys. This is why we think of this as not just a survey, but also an activity. So please save yourself time when completing the survey. Once you've registered for the survey, you'll receive this email that provides you with this link to continue your survey. Simply click on Continue Your Survey, and your survey will open up where you left off. When you come to the end of the survey, you will see that the button will now say Finish Survey. And once you do that, you will receive an email confirming that you have completed the CALL survey. And the email will look like this. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to access and take the CALL survey. And thank you for participating in the Comprehensive Assessment of Leadership for Learning. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the CALL team. And thank you again.